Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Now for today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some amazing lip dupes. Now you guys know I love dupes overall, but especially when it comes to lip dupes, they're an extra bit closer to my heart because I feel like sometimes, just sometimes, the high-end side of things does immaculate things with their lip products. Either they'll have unique undertones or they'll have elements that are very difficult to match up to, or their formulations are so beautiful that you literally can't find a dupe. And you guys know I take my dupe game so seriously, like I need it to be a bang on exact match, otherwise it's not a dupe for me. So trust me when I say this, that these dupes are going to change your life because you will have the exact same effect and the color and the finish that a high-end product would give you and still not break your bank. So without any further ado, if you want to know some amazing lip dupes, then please keep on watching. Let's start off with the lip liner dupe, and I have my Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Posie K. I recently got back into trying Kylie Cosmetics lip products because back in the day we were all obsessed, and they've come out with their new range, new formulation and everything. And this lip liner is so beautiful. It has a gorgeous deep pink shade with a little cool undertone in there. It's very creamy, it's very easy to apply, and it just glides on the lips without any tugging or pulling. And the dupe that I have for you comes from Makeup Revolution. It's their Satin Kiss lip liner in the shade Rosé, and it has that same beautiful color, same formulation that glides on the lips, has no tugging or pulling whatsoever. And once you apply them side by side, there is absolutely no difference that you can make out. And both of these lip liners will give your lips beautiful definition and make sure your lipsticks last longer. Next up, I have my Nars Explicit lipstick in the shade No Rules. Now, I have talked about these lipsticks so many times on my channel now because I love the formulation, I love the finish, I love the wear time and everything that these lipsticks have to offer. And this shade in particular is so beautiful. It's a warm terracotta color, and these just glide on the lips. And even though they have a slightly satiny feel on the lips, they're extremely long lasting as well, which is so important with a great lipstick. But I have an amazing dupe for you all, and it comes from L'Oreal. Now, even L'Oreal has some great formulations to offer, and I know they're not the most affordable ones out there, so I would suggest wait for some sales or some discounts to get these on a great price. But I have their Color Riche lipstick in the shade Le Wood Brulant. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but just look at how similar those shades are. I would say the L'Oreal one is slightly more matte than the Nars one, but once you apply it on your lips, they're exactly the same color and the same undertone. And if you want exactly the same look, either you can apply a little bit of translucent powder on top of the Nars one to matte it down, or apply a little bit of lip balm on top of the L'Oreal one to make it slightly more satiny, and that way you can have the same color and finish. Next up, I have a liquid lipstick from Bobbi Brown to dupe, and you guys know I love my Bobbi Brown lipsticks. They have some unique formulations and colors that are so difficult to match up to from any brand whatsoever out there. So you guys know that this one is special. Now, I have the shade Claret, and it's a gorgeous warm pinky brown color. Plus, this formulation is so comfortable to wear. It's like a moussey airy formulation that feels so comfortable on the lips. It's not drying whatsoever. It's actually pretty moisturizing, which is so rare and unique to find in a liquid lipstick. Plus, overall it gives your lips this soft blurred matte lip look that is absolutely stunning. But I have a perfect dupe for you all, and this one is so amazing. It comes from Makeup Revolution. It's the Air Blur soft matte liquid lipstick, and that name is totally justified. Now, I have the shade Dreamy, which is a bang on dupe to Claret because it has that same gorgeous warm brownie pink color to it that looks absolutely stunning on the lips. And again, this has a beautiful moussey texture that's super lightweight on the lips. It's non-drying and very comfortable to wear. So if a soft matte blurred finish is what you are looking from your lipstick, then you can pick up any of these depending on what your budget is, and you won't be disappointed. We're on to some glosses now, and the first one I want to dupe comes from Fenty Beauty. It's the Gloss Bomb Cream in the shade Fenty Glow, and I absolutely love these glosses. They're so comfortable to wear, have a gorgeous moisturizing texture to them, and this shade in particular also has some pigment that makes your lips look so healthy, so juicy and glowy. I love these. They're so stunning. But if you don't want to spend that amount of money on a gloss but still get that same effect, then you can get the Maybelline Lifter gloss, and I have the Plump variant, so it's slightly tingly on the lips. So formulation wise, this is a little different from the Fenty lip gloss because this one has plumping effects to it. But if you just want that same shade and feel on the lips, then this is great. I have the shade Peach Fever, and just look at how extremely similar it is to the shade that Fenty Glow has in there as well. It looks beautiful on the lips, but again, I just have to quickly say it is slightly different when it comes to the formulation, only because it has a tingly sensation in there. But the shade, the finish and glossiness is exactly the same. I never thought I would be duping this brand because generally it produces dupes rather than being so expensive that we have to find a dupe for it. But I have my e.l.f. Glow Reviver oil, and this is in the shade Crystal Baller, and it's a beautiful, glittery, gorgeous lip oil. Let me quickly give you a swatch because the amount of glitter this one has, it's honestly insane. The way this shimmers and shines on the lips is absolutely stunning, and honestly you can wear this without anything on your lips, or you can layer it on top of a lipstick to transform it into glittery goodness. However, if you're not ready to pay that hefty price tag and you still want glittery goodness, then you can go for the Love Earth lip gloss in the shade Love Magnet. Now even these lip glosses are so comfortable to wear, and they give you a gorgeous finish on the lips, and you can see it has that same glittery goodness going on. It is packed with glitter, it looks stunning on the lips, and even this will transform any of your lipstick into a shimmery one. And both of these are pretty moisturizing on the lips as well. So if you have dry, cracky, dehydrated lips like I do, then they're going to be a perfect match for you. And that is it, guys. Those were all of the dupes I wanted to share with you guys, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe, because that would mean the absolute world to me. Also, let me know what other dupes you guys would like to see it, and I'll get right to work finding a dupe for you. But that's gonna be it from my side. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.